Light can change everything. Your energy, your clarity, your rhythm. You don't need much, just presence and what nature already provides. This is an invitation to return to the body's natural harmony, to the way life was designed to nourish itself. Before we begin, I want to let you know I've created a free companion guide for you to go along with this video. You'll find it inside the Fruitiful Soul Society whenever you're ready. With that in mind, let's begin. Throughout this series, we've explored simplicity, interdependence, and balance as foundational principles that sustain all life, principles mirrored within the human body itself. And with that understanding in place, we can now turn to one of the most practical and essential questions of all. What is the best food for the human body? Simplicity reminds us that truth is effortless. Fruit is the simplest expression of nourishment. It needs no fire, no blade, no instruction. It arrives complete. Water, fiber, nutrients, sweetness, and light, picked, eaten, and received with ease, and we are designed for it. In nature, every creature eats according to its kind. The lion does not graze, the cow does not hunt. Each follows the wisdom written into its form. Fruit, we see it easily. Its vivid color stands out to us, and we are drawn to it. Our hands, prehensile and dexterous, with rounded nails, are shaped to gather, to share, to disperse, to plant. We have no claws to capture or kill. We have no hooves to bear the long hours bent to earth, grazing the ground. Carnivores tear. Their sharp teeth and locking jaws crush flesh and bone. Omnivores shear and swallow, their short, acid-lined tracks hurrying decay. Herbivores grind and sway, their wide molars and gentle jaws mashing living greens. And we, fruit eaters, are something else entirely. Our teeth are broad and flat, made for biting into soft fruit and grinding its tender flesh. Our jaws move in rhythm, not force. Our long, coiled intestines mirror those of other frugivores, designed for slow absorption, for clarity, for light. When heavier foods enter, that rhythm falters. The system strains to do what it was never meant to do. Fruit, ripe, raw, and whole, is our food. Simplicity reveals what the body already knows. Within fruit, every element arrives in harmony. Natural sugars paired with their balancing minerals. Water structured for deep hydration. Enzymes that assist their own digestion, fiber that cleanses and renews, phytonutrients that protect and repair, and biophotons, the subtle light emitted by living cells, a reminder that all life carries its own glow. It asks nothing extra of the body, no heat, no effort, no correction. It leaves no toxic residue behind, only clarity and renewal. Simplicity in nature becomes simplicity in us. Interdependence teaches that everything thrives through connection. Fruit is the perfect expression of that truth. When a tree bears fruit, it offers freely. The plant is fulfilled in giving. Its sweetness is not for itself, but for the world it serves. The fruit feeds the one who eats, and the seed continues the cycle of life. And it is not only the trees, bushes heavy with berries, vines twisting toward light, and low-fruiting plants that carpet the ground, all speak the same language of generosity. Each bears what it can where it stands, offering nourishment to those who wander near. In this exchange, nothing is lost. The eater becomes the carrier, and the plant becomes the giver, and both are sustained by the same sun and soil. Life feeds life, and giving becomes its own nourishment. Inside the body, the same principle unfolds. Every cell lives by exchange, taking in oxygen, releasing carbon dioxide, receiving nourishment, giving energy. Fruit supports this rhythm with perfect design. Its water hydrates deeply. Its living sugars burn cleanly. Its fiber carries away what's finished. Nothing in it burdens the system. Everything cooperates. The body receives, renews, and continues the flow. Those who live on fruit live at the heart of this exchange, sustained by what is freely offered, leaving the giver whole. Among all creatures, the fruit eaters lead in harmony, taking without harm, renewing what they receive. To eat fruit is to live in that gentle reciprocity, life sustaining life within and without. Balance. Balance is the art of alignment, all systems working together with ease. In nature, balance is never still. Water rises and falls. The tides pull and release. What enters returns, and every motion carries its equal rest. The body moves by the same law. Breath drawn in, breath released. Energy received, energy spent. Health depends on this unbroken rhythm of exchange. Fruit keeps this rhythm steady. Its alkaline minerals quiet excess acid. Its living water clears the lymph and blood. Its simple sugars fuel the body without residue or strain. The result is clean energy, natural hydration, and effortless renewal. The body moving as nature moves, in balance. When we eat fruit, the body moves easily within that flow. Energy is clean and immediate. Digestion is light. Hydration is natural. When we eat foods that demand fire, force, or fermentation before they can be consumed, that rhythm falters. The system slows, waste lingers, and collects. Balance gives way to burden. Fruit, on the other hand, works with the body's intelligence, digested by its own enzymes, passed cleanly through the system, leaving clarity in its wake. In that cooperation, we rediscover the body's natural equilibrium, a quiet conversation between nourishment and release. Fruit restores and keeps that balance, not by effort but by clarity. It moves through us as water moves through a stream, cleansing, cooling, nourishing, completing the circle. This is balance in its purest form, the quiet law of give and return, alive within us. Ripe, raw, and whole, fruit is our food, perfectly formed by nature, shaped for our hands, ready for our delight, balanced with everything we need to thrive. In its simplicity, we remember truth without effort. In its interdependence, we remember our place in the circle of life. In its balance, we flow. Fruit, in light of the principles, simply presented to us in the garden of life, given freely for our bodies and delight, packed in perfect balance, and with it, we remember who we are. Frugivores by design. Thank you for watching and for walking with me through the principles of nature. If you haven't already, visit Fruitiful Soul and explore the free companion guides to this series. Our library is now complete, waiting for you whenever you're ready. Thank you again. I appreciate you, and I wish you the very best on your journey. All my love, and remember, stay fruitful, you beautiful soul.